In today's hyper-connected world, online privacy has become a major concern for many.
From advertisers tracking your browsing habits to cyber criminals attempting to steal personal data, there are numerous threats to your digital privacy.
Fortunately, there are effective ways to safeguard yourself while navigating the internet.
This video will walk you through essential steps to protect your online privacy, with a focus on virtual private networks, VPNs.
1. Understanding why online privacy matters.
Before diving into the tools and strategies for protecting your online privacy, it's important to understand why it matters.
Every time you browse the web, send an email, or make a purchase online, you leave a digital footprint.
This information can be harvested and used by third parties, such as advertisers, corporations, and even hackers.
They may use it to
build a detailed profile of your online behavior, target you with ads, or influence your purchasing decisions,
access your sensitive information, such as bank details or passwords. Online privacy, therefore, is about having control over who can access your data and how it's used. 2. What is a VPN and how does it work? A VPN, virtual private network, is one of the most popular tools for protecting online privacy.
Essentially, a VPN creates a secure, encrypted connection between your device and a remote server, hiding your real IP address and encrypting the data being transmitted. This makes it difficult for anyone, whether hackers, your internet service provider, ISP, or websites, to track your activity or intercept your data. Here's how it works.
Data encryption. A VPN encrypts the data you send and receive, meaning even if someone intercepts it, they won't be able to read it. IP masking. It hides your real IP address by assigning you a new one from the VPN server.
This makes it harder to trace your online activities back to you. Secure connections. VPNs allow you to safely access the internet on unsecured networks, such as public Wi-Fi in coffee shops or airports, where your data might otherwise be vulnerable.
3. Advantages of using a VPN. Using a VPN can provide several advantages in terms of online privacy and security.
Enhanced privacy. By masking your IP address, a VPN ensures that your physical location and browsing activities are harder to track.
This is especially important for people in regions where internet censorship or surveillance is prevalent.
Protection on public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks are notoriously insecure, making them a common target for cyber criminals looking to steal personal data. With a VPN, your internet traffic is encrypted, adding an essential layer of protection when using these networks.
Access to restricted content. VPNs can help bypass geographical restrictions on certain websites or streaming services, but their primary benefit remains privacy.
If you're concerned about protecting your information from governments, ISPs, or websites that track your location and activity, a VPN is a good starting point. Prevent data throttling. Sometimes, ISPs limit your internet speeds based on your activity, especially during high-bandwidth activities like streaming.
A VPN can prevent this by making your activities less visible to your ISP. 4. Be aware of what a VPN can and cannot do. While a VPN is an excellent tool for enhancing privacy, it's important to understand its limitations.
Doesn't make you invisible. Even with a VPN, some websites may still collect data through other methods, such as browser cookies, or require you to provide personal information to create accounts. Cannot prevent all tracking. While a VPN masks your IP address and encrypts your connection, it cannot prevent tracking through methods like cookies or fingerprinting unless combined with other privacy tools, such as secure browsers and extensions. Not a substitute for security software, a VPN protects your online traffic, but it doesn't defend against malware, viruses, or phishing attacks. For full protection, you should use antivirus software and firewalls alongside a VPN.
Conclusion.
In a world where online privacy is increasingly at risk, taking proactive steps to protect yourself is essential. A VPN is a powerful tool to shield your internet activities from prying eyes, but it's not a silver bullet. Combined with strong passwords, encryption, cautious online behavior, and updated security software, a VPN can be an important part of your broader privacy strategy. As the internet continues to evolve, staying informed about new threats and privacy-enhancing tools will help you maintain control over your personal information.